Sometimes you may still feel as if the past is controlling your present. And that is because very painful and traumatic events has occurred in your life. Maybe something like bullying, violence, maybe a traumatic loss, natural disaster, maybe a separation. And you may feel and see yourself as inadequate or inferior or powerless, without control. And the quality of life is affected by what you experienced in your past. And maybe you have problems with sleeping, mood swings, irritability, low self-esteem. You struggle in relationship. There is a solution to all that, and the solution is called EMDR. And EMDR stands for eye movement, desensitization, and reprocessing. What is EMDR? Well, EMDR is a psychotherapy, is a psychological therapy, and originated in the 80s in the United States. It's a short-term type of psychological therapy and is very effective for all those difficulties which originated in a traumatic event. So how does it work, EMDR? Well, according to international research, scientific evidence states that the traumatic information gets blocked in the brain with its original intensity. And because this information are traumatic, they don't get reprocessed by the brain, and they do not get correctly stored in the brain. So what happened to you when you have a traumatic experience? Every time you find yourself thinking about what happened in your past, thinking about the experience you had, the traumatic experience you had, or experiencing similar events, the information belonging to your past gets reactivated, and you feel again inadequate or inferior, powerless, or without control. It is as if you are back to that moment when you experienced the trauma. So, how does it work, EMDR? What does do EMDR therapy? EMDR therapy helps you to unblock this traumatic information so that this traumatic information gets reprocessed and stored correctly in the brain. I've treated many patients with EMDR. I've treated them in Italy and in the UK. And the changes, the improvements are amazing. People report feeling lighthearted, as if a weight has been lifted off their shoulders, and they feel as if they are back in control. They feel the relationship have improved. They feel confident and happy. EMDR helps you to regain control over in your life.